What's up, guys? So I'm gonna do kind of like a little BTS vibe here on the channel because I think it's very important, and I bought a course, like a workshop, and they do a lot of like BTS. I think it was very important and add a lot of value into my filmmaking career, so I just gonna add and put more things like this on our channel as well because value is everything. So I just want to bring some truthful and some real scenarios that you guys can watch and apply in your videos as well. Currently, I'm here because of the COVID situation, so I have a couple clients, a couple jobs, and a couple things, and I think it's gonna be fun for me to create this content for you guys, and you guys gonna be able to learn from my content as well. That's the goal, right? So if you don't know me yet, I do tutorials here on YouTube about filmmaking, and if you want to support my channel, just subscribe to the channel and I'm sure that you're not gonna regret. I'm gonna be doing like a dance kind of music video vibe for the crew that is to dance, so maybe you can learn and take something for your clients. This box over here cost me $150. Welcome to Brazil. I know we are all filmmakers, we all do things in different parts of the world, but I just want to share the reality here in Brazil. It weighs like nothing. And when I opened the box, my girlfriend said, "That's it." It's a sticker. It's literally just a little sticker from my camera. I know if it was from US or Canada it would be cheaper. Just the sticker is like 50 bucks. But then to get in Brazil, it's another 50 bucks. So you pay twice. You can get 2 stickers. And I'm not even saying that the product's not good. It looks legit. And they even tried to give me 20 bucks back because they didn't know about this extra charge to get in Brazil as well. It was crazy because when I ordered the sticker, I thought that would be cheaper, but the sticker was 50. I add a little boost, a little motivation so it could go faster, especially in this situation right now. And then they got the extra charge. So I definitely wasn't ready for that, but yeah, brasileiro.
E aí galera, beleza? Opa, 50 pra mim.
What's up, guys? Little boy here, and I'm gonna bring you with me like the other videos because I just feel like sharing is caring, right?
Right.
So I'm gonna bring you today on a video shoot. I'm gonna be doing like a dance kind of music video vibe. The crew that is to dance, so maybe you can learn and take something for your clients. So I hope you enjoy, I hope you like it, and let's go. But now we're gonna put a little gas first, né? Because if we don't have gas, we're not gonna be able to move. Yes. If you have a shoot, if you have any job, anything, be on time, okay? You don't want to be the one who get there late, especially because you're the one who carry all the equipment, the lens, the camera, the lighting. You need to do some tests, so be there earlier. I would say 30 minutes before the time that you set with your client. Tip number 1 from this shoot: try to be as much clear as you can with your communication between you and your client. My client was my director and my choreographer, so it was very easy for me to be very clear and just express everything that I want or everything that I need from them, and he could be very clear with me as well. And when you talk to them, make sure that you show them. If you have a monitor, show them how it's looking the project, show them how potentially it's gonna look after, and just give them an idea so they feel special and they feel very included in the video, okay? I'm sure that they're gonna appreciate you and they're gonna like a lot. Tip number 2, be open to adapt and improvise. I say that because in this particular shoot, they have a choreography and I was right in the center because people were coming to the right, people were switching to the left, all these transitions, and I had to memorize and adapt. Boom, 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 and switch. So if you have ability to have someone who knows where you need to go or in the time that you need to be, bring them with you and tell them to tap on your back and shows you or tell you the time that you need to turn or that you need to switch the angle. It's very, very, very helpful. Improvise, because if you act there that you don't know what you're doing, that's not very professional. Even that you're wrong or the time was a little bit off, go and pretend that it's perfect, because they don't know what's gonna look anyway. So be confident, adapt, and improvise. Tip number 3, express your needs, especially from your point of view. You have the perspective with the lens, with the camera, you have the information, you know how it's gonna look like. So tell the director or tell the choreographer or tell the producer or whoever is gonna be in charge of the project that you're doing, and tell them, look, you're gonna have to stay here a little bit longer. In my case, because the dancer was passing and the other one was coming right after, and then I have to introduce the second dancer, but the time was a little bit earlier or a little bit too fast. So I had to tell them and express my need, that was she needs to improvise a little bit more, she needs to stay in the frame a little bit more, so we can create this flow, this connection between them, and it's gonna look way more professional and way nicer. So be able to connect that and express your needs, because you know how it's gonna look there. Tip number 4, test different lightings. Test different things, test different setups. Don't be stuck in one thing, but don't waste too much time as well. Make sure that you get in the spot, observe, see what you can do, what you can't do, what you need to change, and what you can make it better, okay? If you do some change, boom, be quick. You don't want to make people wait for you, because everyone is there waiting for you to record them and they are just like, hey, make sure that you know what you're doing, but don't be afraid to change some lighting, some setups, and some angles. In my case, I add a lot of fog, test with the lights, test with no lights, test with just a little side light that they had there. There was like switching colors, which was cool for that situation. And I had to add a light on top of my camera.
How is it?
It's heavy, and now we got the light so we can see better. Definitely change the mood of the space and add a little bit more into the choreography. We didn't have much depth, could look better, you know what I mean? So I did some tests, I put some lights, and I think at the end it came out very good. Tip number 5 is gonna be more is better than less. Always record some B-rolls, always record some extra stuff, even if it's before the shoot or after the shoot. Do what you need to do and capture a little bit more. Not too much, don't go crazy, don't waste people's time in the set, but make sure that you know what you have and know what you're gonna need so you can have extra stuff. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to bring all these people, in my case, all these dancers together in the same spot, in the same lighting, the same smoke, in the same setup. So, in my case, even with no music was good, because I just need some movements. I know that's gonna be 120 frames per second. I already have the track that's gonna be on top of the footage, so I have no need for sound. Be smart, shoot a little bit more than what you think that you're gonna need. Hey, you're welcome. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope they learned something today. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this behind the scenes. I particularly have a lot of fun making, so I'm gonna bring you with me in Brazil here for all these client shoots, and I'm gonna try to share a little bit of my experience with you. Give a like to support me and to support the channel, because we are almost getting to 1,000 subscribers.
Hey, let's go.
So thank you very much again, and I'll see you in the next videos.